quick and easy thermometer verification guide. Welcome back to our SFPM channel. Today, we're going to talk about thermometer verification. It's essential to check the accuracy of your thermometer regularly to ensure you get precise readings. Whether you use it for cooking or controlling the temperature in the cooler or freezer, an accurate thermometer is necessary. The first step in verifying your thermometer is to test it in a known temperature reference. Ice verification. For this, we'll use a glass of ice water. Fill a glass with ice and add some water. Now, insert your thermometer into the ice water, making sure not to touch the glass's sides or bottom. Wait for about a minute until the reading stabilizes. As you can see, the thermometer should read very close to 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Compare to ensure the reference thermometer readings are close to the tested thermometer. A slight variation of 1 or 2 degrees is acceptable, but anything more may indicate calibration issues. If your thermometer isn't reading close to 0 degrees Celsius, check the user manual for calibration instructions. Some thermometers have a calibration screw or button to adjust the reading. Remember to record your thermometer verification and ensure that your thermometer is always functional. Consider renaming your thermometer within it to help you identify your thermometers. Additionally, you must send your thermometer to a professional calibration service for more precise validation and get a calibration certificate at least annually. That's it for today's quick and easy thermometer verification guide. Remember, accurate temperature readings are essential, so don't forget to check your thermometer regularly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.